Welcome to Rudy Luther Toyota in Golden Valley. My name is Megan Frost and I'm standing next to the new 2020 Toyota Prius XLE all-wheel drive. New this year is Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa compatibility, as well as Safety Connect on all of our trims. Now this is an all-wheel drive Prius, and that's available in 2 of the 3 trim levels, LE, XLE. Now this is the 1.8 liter hybrid engine, and Toyota Prius is packed with technology. We have the sonar sensors here in the front for parking assist, as well as pedestrian detection, and that's part of our Toyota Safety Sense, which is also standard on all of our Priuses as well. And we also have the radar detection there in the windshield. We have the LED headlights, and now Prius comes with 3 different interior color options. We have black, as well as moonstone, and this one is harvest beige. And I really like this one. I think it's really classy. Here we have the 7-inch touchscreen display, which is new this year, and it is also Apple CarPlay and Amazon Alexa compatible. We'll be taking a closer look at that when we climb inside. And of course, the heated front leather seats. Back here, we have more technology, USB ports for our passengers. We love that. Now these seats easily pop down. There's just a little handle here and you just pull and it just comes right down. Lots of space in a Prius. Now back here, we have the iconic classic Prius back end here. We've got the sonar sensors and standard safety backup camera with projected path. Easy lift. Now this cargo net will help you stay organized back here, and it's really sturdy. I really like this. Lots of space back here. This tonneau cover is removable and you can pop that out for more space. I've seen people put bicycles back here, large dogs back here, lots of space. And here for the all-wheel drive option, we have a 15-inch alloy wheel with aerodynamic wheel covers. We also have the blind spot monitoring and smart key system, so you can lock your Prius by touching it here, or if it's in your pocket, you can just go ahead and open that door handle. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the traction control button, as well as that park assist button, which is going to help you parallel park your Prius. Now, if you're interested in our Prius Prime, our hybrid plug-in option, you can schedule time to come in and talk about all the different options available and get your order placed. But for now, let's take a look at the Prius that we're inside. Up here, we've got the auto dimming mirror and 3 garage door options, as well as our center colored display up here, which includes our options to turn on or off our Toyota Safety Sense, warnings, our lane departure alert screen, of course our climate control, as well as our time and energy information. Down here we have a new 7-inch touchscreen display, and here we're displaying our vehicle's energy. You'd see some arrows and some movement when you're driving the vehicle. We have the climate control here, our Prius drive mode center right here. So with our drive modes, we're gonna have the Eco, normal, and power mode, as well as the EV drive mode. We also have the engine braking for our Prius drivers. We all know what that is. Here is the Qi charging station for compatible phones, smartphones. We have the heated seats. Now here up on the steering wheel on the left side, we have our hands-free phone options and Bluetooth capabilities. And on the right side, we have our heated steering wheel, our lane departure alert button, so we can turn that off manually just from the steering wheel, as well as the dynamic cruise control. Come experience the technology jam-packed in the Prius and schedule your test drive. You can give us a call or find us online at rudyluthertoyota.com.